The Board of Immigration Appeals has just ruled that immigrants who enter the U.S. without authorization are no longer eligible for bond hearings, meaning they may be detained, potentially for months or even years, without judicial release options. Let's talk about this in detail and what's happening. On September 6, 2025, the Board of Immigration Appeal upheld a Trump-era policy denying bond hearings to immigrants who enter without authorization. The board concluded that under the Immigration and Nationality Act, unauthorized immigrants must be detained mandatorily during removal proceedings, not granted bond eligibility. This decision binds all immigration judges and DHS officials unless overturned by the Attorney General or a federal court. The BIA decision stems for the precedent setting matter of Q. Lee. In that case, a Chinese national who entered the U.S. without inspection and was detained again after parole sought bond, immigration judge denied jurisdiction, and the BIA just affirmed, ruling that such individuals fall under INA 235B and are ineligible for bond under 236A. The board clarified that anyone classified under INA 235B, an applicant for admission who entered without inspection, must be detained until proceedings conclude, with parole as the only possible exception. The ruling could affect millions, not just newly arrived individuals, but also long-term residents who lack inspection status. Those previously eligible for bond, even after years in the U.S., now may face mandatory detention. Of course, State Attorney General Cuomo from Illinois, along with 19 other state Attorney Generals, files amicus brief arguing that the policy inflicts irreparable harms, wastes taxpayer dollars, and disrupts families and communities. They urge the court to overturn it. This ruling builds on an ICE memo July 2025 directed that unauthorized entrants be detained for the entirety of their removal proceedings, effectively sidelining immigration judge decision on bond. It coincides with a $45 billion congressional appropriation aimed at expanding ICE detention infrastructure, highlighting a budgetary and enforcement ramp-up. So with this new development, we're going to see how the federal court cases or oppositions or appeals going to go from now on, but we will share with our followers any latest news we have on this. I hope this news helped our followers and have a great day. This is Attorney Ayhan Ogmen.